Ultimately, these events will occur with the uncertainty of any other events that occur in life and society, and the best we can do is be prepared to deal with them when they occur as opposed to try and predict when they will occur.
Hi, my name's David Morrison, one of the co-hosts of Originals, where we present outstanding research in everyday language. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to my graduate advisor and professor at the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign, Dr. Sheldon Jacobson, who's going to talk to you about using statistics to model random acts of violence.
My name is Sheldon Jacobson. I'm a professor in the Department of Computer Science at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. I work in the field of operations research, which are using advanced analytic techniques to analyze complex and complicated systems and to glean out important insights from these systems. It seems like a day doesn't pass that we pick up a newspaper and we read about another mass killing and a group of people who have been shot either in a movie theater, in a mall, at some kind of church or other gathering point. And a natural question to ask is there a pattern that has emerged that can help law enforcement officers and other public officials identify patterns that can predict when these events will occur? One of the things that interested us in this particular analysis is that the frequency of such events seems to be very unpredictable. In fact, they may be completely random. We were able to secure several years of data, and using this data, analyze it to try and glean insights whether in fact there was a pattern in the frequency at which these events were occurring. What we're able to find is that the flow or the frequency of such events actually does follow a well-defined pattern. This pattern is referred to as a Poisson process. A Poisson process is a mathematical construct that enables us to look at a sequence of events and probabilistically capture the pattern which they evolve. Now, a Poisson process by definition is uncertain. So that means we can't predict when the next event will occur. But it does enable us to gain some insights into the fact that there is no conspiracy, there's no pattern that has emerged that somehow people are doing this for a purpose. Ultimately, it does provide some support that the sources of such events are very disparate and there aren't any links that will tie them together. We were able to take 4 years of data, which actually includes several hundred events. From this, we were able to identify that the most predictable pattern in these events is that they're unpredictable. Even though they follow a well-defined process called the Poisson process, such a process suggests that nobody can come up with a magic formula to identify when the next event will occur. Public health policymakers and law enforcement agencies can use this information in a manner that suggests that since one can't predict when the next event can occur, one has to create a system and put it in place so that when the event does occur, one can respond to it. Preparation is the key, and responding quickly and effectively to mitigate the impact on as many people as possible, on the society, on the community that it's struck by, is the best way to use this information and move forward. The important message to learn from this research is that data has important insights. We can weed out insights that are not always obvious, but using advanced analytics, one can obtain important insights. When it comes to mass murders, the message is that these events may be unpredictable, but it's guaranteed they're going to continue to occur. And we have to be prepared to be able to deal with them and address them quickly, effectively, and efficiently. So what we're trying to get across with our research is that instead of trying to waste time and resources to figure out where it's going to come from next, what's more important is to be prepared for when it does occur.